A quiet sunrise drapes a remote byway as a silver camera follows a lone traveler through the open plains toward a hidden waterfall. Along the winding road, a rusted diner crowned with vintage neon offers coffee and stories from locals who guard the route's secret history. The trek leads to a canyon where ancient rock layers glow red, and a mile-long shadow plays across polished stone. In the shadows, a desert bloom opens beside a weathered plaque detailing the area's native heritage and railroad lore. This expedition souvenirs the blend of pristine landscapes and quirky stops that define America's lesser-traveled scenic routes.